What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And yes, I am in the Mini Cooper. I've been enjoying it so far. So today I'm gonna be doing my first mod on the Mini Cooper, which is I'm gonna be changing my gear selector knob, the shift knob. I'm gonna be putting in my all-time favorite shift knob, guys, which is the E46 ZCP shift knob. I always had a thing for that shift knob, and this is my first manual car, like I said. So today I'm gonna be installing that shift knob into my Mini Cooper. Yes, you heard that right, guys. I'm gonna be installing a BMW shift knob into my Mini Cooper. This is the first official mod for the Mini Cooper, guys. Alright, guys, so this is a really easy mod to do. To remove the shift knob, all you gotta do is pull up and it comes out, as you guys can see. And we're gonna be replacing it with, like I said, a E46. Man, this thing looks so good, guys. Check it out, man. Look how good this look. And everything is the same. The reverse, the 6 gears, everything lined up the same. Shouldn't be a problem. Alright, guys, so the new knob is a little bit deeper than the old one. So what we're gonna have to do is try to adjust the bushing right here a little lower. And so next you're gonna have to squeeze in, pull it up, and the top's gonna come out. Alright, guys, so I couldn't get this bushing to move up or down. So what I ended up doing was I used a pipe cutter. Let me show you guys. I used a pipe cutter and I went ahead and cut just about ½ an inch from the bushing. And now I'm pretty sure we should have enough for this to fit in here. Let's see. And there she goes. Perfect. Alright, guys, once you have the booth and everything put back together, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop in my shift knob. She's on there, boys. Let me know what you guys think, man. Came out perfect. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Let me know what you guys think. First mod on the Mini Cooper. Really liked it. I'm gonna go ahead and take her for a quick spin and see how she does. Guys, so that's the first mod for the Mini. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.